Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn about feelings and expressions. Feelings are emotional states of a person, and expressions are reactions towards something. So, here we go. How are you feeling today? Oh, wow. I think it's a playland. Oh, ugh. Angry. I'm feeling angry because someone hit me. Look at the expression on the boy's face. He seems angry. Oh, bored. I'm feeling bored. I'm bored when I'm waiting for something. Ha 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 ha. Pura! Yay! Excited. I am excited when I'm writing on writes. Yay! Wow! Happy. I feel happy when I go to Joyland. Yay! Hungry. Hungry. I feel hungry when I see yummy snacks. Yummy. Oh, sad. I am sad because I'm too short to take rides. Oh, scared. I feel scared when I see a haunted palace. Oh, ouch. Are you alright? I'm worried about the child. His bruise should be clean. Hey, yay. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Yay. Oh. Oh. Sleepy. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy after enjoying a full day in the playland. Next is tired. I feel tired after spending a whole day in the park with my kids. Now, there is an assignment for you guys. You have to talk about your feelings. For example, happy. I am happy when I go to Joyland. Now, you have to talk about these feelings: scared, excited, sad, shy, worried. Now, you have to make a video and post, and don't forget to stay safe. Bye.